In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text boxes on Google Slides. If you're looking to create a visually engaging presentation, text boxes are an essential tool that will allow you to place and format your information exactly as you need. Whether you're highlighting a key point or organizing your slides layout, text boxes are incredibly useful. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to Google Slides. If you haven't used it before, Google Slides is part of Google's suite of productivity apps available online for free, and it's quite user-friendly. Simply go to your web browser and navigate to Google Slides by entering slides.google.com. Once there, you'll need to make sure you're signed in to your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. On this homepage, you have the option to either start from scratch or choose from a variety of templates. If you want to start fresh, go ahead and click on the blank presentation option. Alternatively, if you're interested in using a predetermined template that can save you time and provide a design framework, feel free to select one that fits your presentation's needs. Now that you're in your presentation, let's discuss how to insert a text box. You'll want to look at the top menu bar of your screen and find the Insert option. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the text box option. By clicking this, your cursor will change to a crosshair icon indicating that you're ready to draw your text box directly on the slide. The next step involves determining where on your slide you want to place the text box. Click and drag on the slide area to draw a rectangular text box to your desired size. Once you release the mouse button, the text box will be placed and your cursor will be inside, ready for you to start typing. A helpful tip: you can always resize or move the text box later by clicking on the border of the box until you see small blue squares appearing on the edges. Hold and drag these points to adjust the size, or click and drag the border itself to move the text box around the slide. You now have the basic skills to add text boxes to your Google Slides presentation. As you experiment with additional formatting options and various placements, your presentations can become more refined and visually appealing. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. Happy presenting!